In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a unique and eye-catching crumpled paper effect using Canva. Whether you're designing a poster, a digital artwork, or some cool social media graphics, this technique can add an interesting texture to your work. So, let's dive right in. First things first, open up Canva on your device. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up. Once you're logged in, select the Create a Design button to set the stage for your masterpiece. You can choose custom dimensions or use a template that suits your project. Now that you have your blank canvas in front of you, head over to the left-hand side of your screen and click on Uploads. This is where you'll bring in your image. If your image is already saved in your Canva Uploads, great. If not, click the Upload Files button and find the image you want to work with on your device. Once uploaded, simply drag your image onto the canvas and position it as you prefer. Next, let's add some texture to your design. Move over to the Elements tab, which you can also find on the left-hand side. In the search bar, type in crumpled paper. This will bring up a variety of options that you can use. Take your time to scroll through and pick the one that fits the vibe of your image. Click on the crumpled paper texture of your choice and it will appear on your canvas. You can adjust its siege positioning and even rotate it to make sure it covers your image perfectly. Alright, now for the fun part where we blend our layers to create that stunning effect. To do this, navigate over to the Apps section on the lower corner left. This is where Canva houses its ever-growing library of app integrations and advanced features. In the search bar, type Blend Image to access the blending options. When you open Blend Image, you'll want to make sure that the crumpled paper texture is on the top layer, while your original image serves as the bottom layer. This order is essential for the effect to work the way we want. With our layers correctly set, we'll now grab the Multiply option from the blend modes. The Multiply mode effectively combines the two layers, letting the paper texture interact seamlessly with the image beneath it. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, click Add to Design, and there you have it. Your image now boasts a distinctive, crumpled paper look. Adjust until you achieve the desired contrast and balance in your design. This technique opens up endless possibilities for adding depth and personality to your projects. And there you go. Enjoy your newly textured design and be sure to explore and experiment even further with all the effects Canva has to offer. Thanks for joining me and happy designing.